శ్రీ కొక్కిరాల ప్రేమ్ సాగర్ రావు గారు.
I, Kokkirala Prem Sagar Rao, having been elected as member of the Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold and the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Kokkirala Prem Sagar Rao, member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I shall abide by the follow the rules, observe and etiquette and respect the convention of the House.
శ్రీ కోమటిరెడ్డి రాజగోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారు.